Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Turducken Adventures video. If you guys can see this, my dog and a coyote were just facing off. See, there it is right there. He was originally doing this to me. Look at that. If I get a GoPro, I can go down there and check one of those guys out. This is the pack leader. He's telling us right now, he's not afraid of us at all. My dog is just going nuts. Now, I want to see... Okay, he's going into the tiny tree forest. Okay. He's going in there. Look at that. Ooh, my dog's fighting back a little. No, it's okay. This is so cool, guys. You guys seeing this? Amazing. This is the Pack Alpha. Okay, so I want to see where he's going because I've been in there before. I can track this guy. This is so amazing. I spotted this just a second ago.
Look how well he blends in.
Yeah, if I was just looking out here, I probably wouldn't see him. And he's doing what Gunther does.
He's lost somebody, he's looking for somebody. I don't know. I can't explain it. Normally you see a rabbit frothy around their lip line.
That's
Yeah.
odd behavior.
It is very aggressive.
Yeah, I cannot... Oh, there he is. Alright, everybody, leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so we can get a GoPro and go see more of that. Peace, y'all.